Keep the air going. So bring. You did it, Joinville. Flying colors, my friend.
Mind over matter, I guess.
That's it.
The funny thing is that my ceiling is a high C.
No, it's not
Rarely
anymore.
the occasional high D at the end of a solo work, but never an E natural. I've never hit that. Like so consistently.
The
This is
way you hit
crazy.
that E was big, resonant, and I could tell you now you could definitely play a G above that. Oh, I mean, before you joined Precision Brass, what were you struggling with, Joinville?
High notes, endurance, resonance, mostly resonance. I mean, I'm telling you, I went to this camp with a friend of mine, and I can compare his sound with my sound, and they're completely different. And I've always dreamed to actually sound like him, kind of like you, for example. And now, being in this program, this precision brass program, I can see that it's possible. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can tell it right now. So before I was okay, yeah, but now I can see that I'm on a path to excellence, or to to resonance, to playing well with confidence, and playing
Right.
longer, faster, perhaps higher.
Exactly. And I mean, what are you, where are you now with that journey to improving your sound range, accuracy, endurance? Like how have you improved? How much, what's happened? Tell me about it.
Yeah, I mean, when I play, for example, at church, people can see hear the difference actually. Before they could hear me, but they would say, you know what, the sound sounds kind of flat. It's too stuffy or whatever. Like I'm struggling, especially when I'm playing on those high notes. But now I've had compliments. People saying to me, "Oh, Trevor, you sounded really great this morning." I mean, it was resonant. It was, it was loud, not in a blaring kind of way, but in a majestic, like round, thick kind of way. You know what I'm saying? So I can say that I have improved quite a bit ever since I joined your program, your course. Yeah.
Great. That's beautiful. And do you regret joining, or what would you say to someone that's on the fence of joining?
Well, I would tell them, you know what, it wouldn't hurt to try. The funny thing, Harrison, is that my wife and I we were talking about, you know, hiring someone to or to take lessons from that person, right? And for some reason, I guess I must have, stumbled upon your website because I was just, searching online, and somehow you were the answer to my prayers, kind of, so to speak. You know what I mean? So if someone were on the fence of joining, I would encourage them to join because I can tell that it has changed my playing. I never thought that it was possible. I mean, I've always struggled all my life, but I never actually thought that it was possible to actually improve to the level that I'm proving right now. You know what I'm saying? It always felt like, wow, I can see that I need to improve, but I didn't know how. I didn't have a mentor or a tutor, kind of how you're doing now, to actually show me the ropes. Oh, no, 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 do this instead. Don't do this. Do that instead. I didn't have that. So I was basically on a trial and error basis. I'm like, I tried this, it works, I stuck with it. If it didn't work, I can let it go, and that's it, that's all. But yeah, I mean, I would tell anyone who, to join your program and get the best out of it. I mean,
Beautiful.
it is what it is.
Well, thank you so much, Joinville. I appreciate that.